Hi guys, this is a 2007 Audi A4 2.0 turbo. Today I'm going to show you how to solve a problem of no crank, no start. So let's get to it. So at the very beginning I started looking for relays, and what I ended up doing, I thought it has to do with the ignition. So I took off the cover from here. As you can see, this is what you get. There's nothing here that you can fix or modify, or so basically this was a waste of time, so do not do it. Also, I looked here, and I checked the fuses. Also, I checked the relays here and everything, and none of it is responsible for the ignition. And then I came over here and I opened this cover. It takes 5 bolts. Is another one here. That's the hardest part. This one, I'm gonna have to use a special tool for it. To get this box out, the best way is to pick it up with the ECM. Take both of them out. As you can see, I held it with it, and this way. Just a quick explanation for this cover. Make sure that it's not broken. I just bought this one from junkyard because mine was broken, and that actually caused the problem. So just make sure that this one is completely intact. So here's the ECM. Just push it that way, and these two relays here, I believe this one is responsible for transmission. Okay, I could be wrong. So if transmission started acting up, come here and replace this one. And what I actually recommend is that you check this box, and if there's a little bit of corrosion, just change all of them. Don't even wait for problems to start. And as you can see, there's another one here. Sorry for the light. So that's the one that I replaced, and I can actually. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna swap it. I'm gonna put the bad one just to show you what was going on. So sorry if you can't see it, but it's right there. So now I'm gonna try to start the car. And there's nothing. There's nothing. Okay? So just gonna come here, get this one out. Okay, I'm gonna replace it with this one. As you can see, it's still good. I got it from junkyard as well, but at least it's still good. And you just that's it. So I just put it there, and now here you go. No problem at all. The car started right away. so if you have a similar problem, do not open this one. Do not even waste your time here. Just open the ECM box. Make sure that it's not broken, and replace the relays. I recommend that you replace all of them. If you open here and there was water, I would just go ahead and replace all of them to avoid a lot of hassle. And make sure that you put a box cover that is not broken. All right, hopefully this video is helpful, and please subscribe and share if you like this one. Just give it a like, and thank you guys.